Good morning, first graders. Today is September the 10th, 2020. Dear everybody, how is virtual learning going for you? The first grade teachers are working hard to make this a great learning experience for each of you. Have you ever wondered how mountains and hills are different? Both are landforms or features on the surface of the earth that were formed by nature. They're both higher up than the surrounding land, and both have a summit, which is their highest point. It sounds like they're very similar, but let's find out how they're different. Mountains are steeper than hills. The sides of hills slope much more gradually. This makes hills easier to climb than mountains. Mountains are also higher than hills. But how high does a hill have to be before it becomes a mountain? Actually, no one agrees about that. Best wishes, your first grade teachers.